Are you looking to reduce operational costs or eliminate downtime for your business applications? Do you want to drive more value with your IoT and operations data? Are you concerned with providing a safe, secure, and compliant environment? Atos has developed business outcomes as a service to address these challenges by leveraging the right solutions to deliver meaningful business results. Our predictive maintenance solution can analyze your IoT data to predict system failure, prevent revenue loss, and improve customer satisfaction. Our high availability edge solution is designed to eliminate downtime and produces near zero touch deployment of hardware and applications, reducing maintenance costs and driving decarbonization. Our computer vision platform leverages your existing camera systems to analyze customer behavior and monitor high-risk and high-volume areas, which can increase revenue and improve safety and compliance. If one of these solutions doesn't fit your needs, Atos' Agile Solution team can rapidly design and deliver a custom solution to help realize your desired business outcome in 3 months or less. Reduce IT complexity and unlock innovation with business outcomes as a service. Engage Atos to accelerate your transformation journey.